Purrustic SlimFix is promoted as an Ayurvedic weight management drink made from a blend of 9 herbs, aiming to boost metabolism, support digestion, and aid weight loss without artificial additives. On the Purrustic official site, SlimFix described as ultra slim, feel younger, cuts stored fats, improves metabolism. The site also highlights that it tastes great and is easy to use, recommending drinking it for a month to begin seeing results. In a Reddit thread, a user raises skepticism. At this point, I think their marketing is great, claims are great, but are they true? No way to find out, no certificates. This suggests concern about transparency, lack of proof, and whether the claims hold off in practice. For the final verdict, Purrustic SlimFix does show elements of legitimacy. It has a functional website, clear herbal blend claims, and real product listings. Scum Advisor also marks the main site as legit and safe to access. However, the user skepticism from Reddit, uncertainties around clinical evidence, and reliance on brand marketing rather than independent verification mean it leans toward being overhyped. In other words, it could help some users modestly, but it's unlikely to deliver dramatic, guaranteed weight loss by itself.